What's going on, everyone? It's Bybin here. I'm fired up to share this one with you. I made over $21,000 in just 30 days with AI affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm breaking down my exact strategy step by step so you can replicate it. We're leveraging some seriously underrated AI tools that make your life easier. We're automating tasks, optimizing for maximum profits, and you don't need to be a tech genius. This is all about working smarter, not harder. You don't need a ton of cash or years of experience, just your phone and the willingness to work. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into AI affiliate marketing. Before you think about affiliate links or AI tools, we need to talk about your niche. This is crucial because you're going to be living and breathing this thing. Are you passionate about personal finance, self-improvement, or fitness? Make sure it's something you genuinely enjoy learning about and talking about. Picking the right niche is about finding that sweet spot where your interests and profit potential align. Trust me, the money is more likely to follow if you're genuinely invested in the topic. You don't have to be an expert from day one, but a genuine interest will fuel your learning. Think about it. If you hate talking about skincare, are you really going to create daily content about it? Probably not. But if you're obsessed with tech gadgets, you'll be excited to share your knowledge. That enthusiasm translates into engaging content, attracting viewers and leading to affiliate sales. So take some time to think about your passions and interests. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to start building your brand. So, you've got your niche locked in, now let's talk branding. There are two main routes: building a personal brand or an online brand. Both have their pros and cons. A personal brand is all about you. Think of creators like Sarah Finance, people connect with people, or build a faceless online brand. This could be a niche website or themed Instagram page. It's less demanding and scalable. Think about what aligns best with your goals. Consistency is key, regardless of your choice. Next, we'll dive into affiliate links to boost your earnings. Let's talk about the moneymaker affiliate links. These are special links you get from companies that give you a cut of the sale whenever someone buys through your link. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the awkward cold calls. We're talking high-ticket affiliate programs that pay significant commissions, ideally $50 or more per sale. One of my go-to platforms is Impact.com. They work with massive brands across various niches, so you're bound to find something relevant. Another great option is ClickBank. They specialize in digital products, which often have higher commission rates. And of course, Amazon Associates. While the commission rates might be lower, the sheer volume of products and trust in the Amazon brand makes it a solid choice. Finding high-paying affiliate links is about doing your research. Look for products and services that align with your niche and offer substantial value. Promote products and services you genuinely believe in, and that will benefit your audience. Authenticity is key in affiliate marketing, so don't promote anything just for a commission. Building your AI-powered affiliate website: easy, affordable, and effective. Let's talk about building your online platform. A website is still a powerful tool in your affiliate marketing arsenal. But don't worry, you don't need to be a coding wizard. Use AI to make this process a breeze. First, get a domain name and hosting. I recommend Hostinger for affordable plans and user-friendly interface. Platforms like Hostinger offer AI-powered website builders. Enter your brand name, describe your business, and the AI creates a customized website. AI can also help you create compelling content. Experiment and see what works best for your business. AI is your secret weapon for building an effective affiliate website. Unleashing the power of AI content, dominating social media with ease. Let's talk content. Content is king, queen, and the entire royal family in affiliate marketing. Creating engaging content daily can feel like a full-time job. Get ready to outsource some of that workload to AI. Use AI tools to level up your content game on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. Create scroll-stopping videos, eye-catching graphics, and captivating captions with AI. InVideo AI is a game-changer for video content. Give it a prompt and it generates a video for you, complete with music and transitions. AI can also help with writing captions and generating content ideas. Need a week's worth of Instagram captions? AI's got you covered. Want fresh ideas for your next YouTube video? Just ask your AI assistant. Use AI to enhance your creativity, not replace it. AI is your secret weapon for overcoming writer's block and streamlining content creation. Email marketing magic, turning subscribers into superfans and customers. Build a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations. Email marketing is key. Build an email list. It's a direct line to your followers. ChatGPT helps craft engaging emails. Provide value to your subscribers. Share insights and tips. Build relationships and establish authority. Turn subscribers into superfans and customers. And there you have it, my exact strategy for making $21,000 in 30 days with AI affiliate marketing. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to explore in the world of affiliate marketing. If you're serious about taking your affiliate marketing to the next level, check out my affiliate marketing course. It's packed with valuable information, actionable steps, and all the resources you need to succeed. You can find the link in the description below. For a simple and effective platform, check out my full video on Pinterest affiliate marketing. Pinterest is a goldmine for affiliate marketers, and I break down how to leverage it for maximum profits. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.